Are you a daily WebWork user?
Here are 3 ways to stay productive with WebWork. First, follow your daily progress with WebWork. During your workday, you can view your work hours, productive time, and activity level, helping you follow your daily progress and improve over time. Second, manage your tasks more effectively. WebWork helps you organize your tasks, track their progress, and celebrate every task you complete. Third, talk to WebWork AI. WebWork AI is your AI assistant built into WebWork. It helps you find and use WebWork features more easily. For example, if you want to request leave but aren't sure how, simply ask WebWork AI. It can also analyze your work data and provide practical, personalized insights to help you grow in your role every day. WebWork is here to help you stay productive, improve every day, and achieve your goals.
Try these 3 features today. Make your workday easier